I'm Wein from SMK Heng Ee. Okay, today I'm going to tell you how to score marks from chapter matrices. Okay. For the past 2 years, matrices contributes 5 marks in SPM. We can see here from here very clear by using matrix method. Okay. Every year also they will mention this in the SPM. Okay, so we need to use this method, solving simultaneous linear equation using matrix to solve this problem. Okay. So as a first step, we have to convert simultaneous linear equation into matrix form. Okay, separate coefficient from the variable xy and equals to the constant. Okay, for example, we have to solve this simultaneous linear equation using matrix method. Okay, as the first step, write down 3 brackets. Okay, then separate the coefficient. Okay, as a reminder, okay, for y, if y only the coefficient is 1, okay, then fill in the bracket with xy for the second bracket, and then the other coefficient write down in the bracket. Okay, -4, 1, and constant 1. Okay, for the second equation also same. -3, 2, and 7. Okay, we have done converting simultaneous linear equation into matrix form. Okay, to solve this matrix equation, okay, we need to find the value of xy. Okay, so as a recap, still remember this? Okay, this is matrix equation. To find xy, we need to multiply PQ with the inverse matrix. Okay, don't worry. This inverse matrix, okay, this inverse matrix is given in the formula sheet. Okay, so you no need to memorize it, but you need to know how to use it. Then we continue to the example. Okay, so if we compare these two matrices, okay, we can know that A is -4, B is 1, C is -3, and D is 2. Okay, now we apply the formula. Okay, x is equals to 1 over -4 times 2, okay, at these two diagonal, minus 1 times -3. 1 times -3. Okay. Then don't forget to change the position of elements in the matrix. Okay. A and D must be changed. So -4 and 2 have to change their place. And then the other two elements, 1 and -3, have to change the sign with -1 and 3. Okay. To continue this, okay, we have to multiply these two matrices. Okay, still remember how to multiply them? Okay, so we can use this method, okay, where the row multiply with the column. So 2 times 1 plus -1 times 7. Okay, next, okay, second row multiply with the columns again. 3 times 1 plus -4 times 7. Okay, when we go back, okay, try to remain -1 over 5 outside the bracket. Don't multiply in yet. Calculate the value in the bracket. Using your calculator, calculate it. Okay, then you will get this. Okay, next step, multiply negative 1 over 5 with negative 5 and negative 25. Okay, you will get 1 over 5. Okay. So as a last step, okay, write down x equals to 1 and y equals to 5. Okay, with all these steps, okay, we can get 4 marks. Okay, first mark, we convert linear equation into matrix equation. Next step, for n, the next marks is come to, okay, when you multiply inverse matrix with 1 over 7. Okay. The third mark go to x equals to 1, and the last mark go to y equals to 5. So with this, you were able to get 4 marks. Okay, I hope this can help you to score marks from matrices. So let's continue to try this clone SPM. Okay, please read this question carefully. Okay, try to identify the important information. Okay. Okay. First information, Elisa earns RM 2,760 by selling 30 raisin cakes and 15 chocolate cakes. Okay, this is the first information. Second information, Elisa sold 40 raisin cakes and 40 chocolate cakes for RM 2,720. So these are the two information. Okay, with these two information, we should be able to form two linear equation. Okay. Okay, let us assume raisin cake is x, chocolate cake is y. Okay, so first information tell us that Elisa earned 2,760 from selling 30 raisin cake, which is x, plus 50 chocolate cakes, which is y. So first equation is 30x plus 50y equals to 2,760. Okay. Second equation will form from the second information. Okay. Elisa earned 2,720 at the second day. So this is 40x plus 40y equals to 2,720. Okay, now we already make two linear equation. Okay, what is the next step? Okay, next step, we need to convert them into matrix form. Okay, to convert them into matrix form, okay, write down 3 brackets. Okay, first bracket, fill in with the coefficient 30, 50, 40, and 40. Just follow the position. Okay, then second bracket, fill in with xy. Okay, third bracket with the constant. Okay, as we learned before, to find xy, okay, is equals to 1 over 30 times 40, multiply these two elements, 30 times 40 minus 50 times 40, multiply the other diagonal. Okay, and then don't forget to change the position of 40 and 30 and change the sign of negative, change the sign for 50 and 40 to negative 50 and negative 40. Okay. Next, okay, we have to multiply these two matrices. Okay, use your calculator, calculate the value for 30 times 40 minus 50 times 40. Okay, and then multiply them. Okay, this is what you will get by multiplying two matrices. Okay, again, remember, negative 1 over 800 remain outside the bracket before you count the value in the bracket. Okay. Okay, this is what you get. As a last step, multiply -1/800 with these two elements. Okay, you will get 32 and 36. Okay, these are the value for x and y. And again, don't forget to write down x equals to 32, y equals to 36. Okay, with all these steps, we were able to get 5 marks. Easy, correct? Okay. So we should try a question. Okay, I give you a question here. Okay, try this. Okay, you can pause and use 5 minutes to try this question. After you have done, then you continue to play to check your answer. Okay, so here are the full solution for this problem. Check your answer. Okay, I hope that you managed to score these 5 marks in your SPM. Okay, bye. Take care.